Hi, I'm Shirley, the founder of GraphicsOnline.co. As a seasoned educator, I'm passionate about inspiring and empowering others. GraphicsOnline.co is where education and creativity seamlessly converge. Let's unlock secrets to craft vibrant banners and elevate your learning environment with creativity and practicality, saving you both time and money. If you're stuck for ideas, click on the Canva links provided in the notes for access to hundreds of classroom banners and headers for all types of topics and customize the templates for your classroom. Alternatively, create your banner with a custom size. I use 3 A4 landscape pages. Add elements to create a unique banner for your classroom for any topic. Then proceed the same way as you would for the following banners. Once you've designed your banner, it may look something like the following examples. Remember to name your project, example, the Rainbow Classroom Banner. All of your Canva projects are automatically saved as you work on them. Just ensure the little tick in the cloud is present. If it is not, just wait until the tick is there. When you're satisfied with your creation, click on the Share button, click on Download, click on PNG as a suggested file type, select the pages you want to download, and click on the Download button. Once downloaded, save the file on your computer. Upload the files using the Upload Files button, or drag and drop the downloaded files from your computer, which have been saved as PNGs, onto your Canva screen. Next, open the free Classroom Banner template included in your bundle purchase. Save an original copy and duplicate it for customization. Don't forget to give the copied version a new name. This template will help you to print the banner onto 3 A4 pages. Add a blank page to drop your selected PNG project. Click on it and copy it. Go to the left banner template and paste it there. Double-click the image so that the left side of the banner touches the left side template. You will see the full image. Don't worry about that. Repeat for the middle and only double-click it as it will automatically center the image. Repeat the same for the right side as for the left side. Add a border with the template provided. Click on the left border, copy it, and paste it to the left banner page. Repeat for the middle and the right side. Select the border and then select the color icon on the top tab. The color of the border is the color of the icon. You can choose any color from the panel of color palettes, document colors, brand kit colors, photo colors, or default colors. Create a specific color border, select the border, and then click on the color picker and drag it to any color on your screen. The border will change to that selected color. Click on the 4 squares at the bottom of your screen to view all of your work. Now you're ready to share and download the banner. Click on the Share button, click on Download, select which pages to download, select the file type to PDF print, and flatten the PDF. This combines all of the content into just one single layer. Then click on the Download button. Enhance the file with your creative touch, then save it on your computer, and you're all set to print the bespoke banner at home or school, saving time and money without the need for a print shop. Note that the PDF has crop marks on certain pages. This is where you will cut your page. Be sure not to cut all of them, as you won't have anywhere to stick them together. Once you've joined the 3 pages, then you can cut around the border. In this tutorial, I shared valuable insights for early years educators and parents about classroom banners. You can find the links in the video notes. See you in the next session.